There are so many girls writing me, Yuri, what should I do? Panic, panic, panic. I have a wide and high forehead. If you have high and wide forehead, it means that you have a classic forehead. It's usually that your chin is pointed. Therefore, the forehead looks wider and taller, so higher. How you contour this, no rocket science, just I took my favorite contouring powder by Kevin O'Quan and contouring it all around here. So all around, close to your hairline. And like you do frizzy hair with this, you know, because like when you're buffing it in, you get like all these choo here. So you just need to buff it in, and then we'll comb the face later. Let me show you maybe from the side that you see better. So apply it here, where the shadow is, so where I apply dark, where I apply the contours, the skin looks like receding. Like, how to explain this? Hope I did a good job, but it looks more 3D. Look here, 3D. Just all around, blend it well. Ta-da-da. Done. You see, no magic.